What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be taking care of something. Actually, we'll be seeing my cat. Actually, let's do a how to feed a cat. Step 1, give them water. Oh, Jesus. Step 2, you're gonna want to feed them some food. E. 3, throw that poo-poos out of the window. E. And that is how you take care of a lovely cat. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to click that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.